The American Concrete Institute's ACI 562 Plus Concrete Repair Subscription is a fully digital interactive resource designed around ACI Code 562, assessment, repair, and rehabilitation of existing concrete structures, code, and commentary, including ACI Code 562.21, as well as the newest version, ACI Code 562.25. Subscribers also gain full digital access to MNL 320, Guide to the Code for Assessment, Repair, and Rehabilitation of Existing Concrete Buildings. The ACI Plus platform allows users to add digital notes directly alongside ACI Code 562 provisions, commentary, and the guide. There are 10 unique provision-linked user note sets supported by the Notes tool, and any notes created with the Notes tool can be shared with other 562 Plus subscribers. Additionally, 562 Plus subscribers have access to over 65 codes, specifications, guides, and reports, in excess of 16 educational publications and documents, more than 33 on-demand courses through ACI University, and over 25 symposium volumes containing 500 total papers on a diverse range of concrete repair topics, all in one place and only a click away. That's not all though, because a commitment has been made to ensure any new concrete repair content developed by the Institute will be made available to subscribers.
First-time purchasers of ACI Code 562.25 or 562.21 will be eligible for a free one-year subscription to the ACI 562 Plus Repair Subscription.
Visit our website to learn more and subscribe today.